We're solving problem 2 from the 2026 AIME 1. Find the number of positive integer palindromes written in base 10 with no 0 digits whose digits add up to 13. For example, 42124 has these properties. And recall that a palindrome is a number whose representation reads the same from left to right as from right to left. So they give us 42124. And this adds up to 13. Now immediately we can see that there is a trick here. 13 is odd, and therefore an odd number can only be added up by odd and an even number. But however, you cannot have even numbers on the other sides of the middle number, because you cannot add any two integer numbers such that they add up to an odd number. Therefore, this one in the middle we call D has to be odd. So therefore it can have values 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And then the numbers, or the sum of the numbers to the right, or the digits to the right of D, we call D prime. So basically, if you have, say, 1, there's these numbers to the right, we call the sum of these numbers D prime. And these numbers have to sum up, or these numbers have to basically sum up to half of what else is needed to sum up to 13, isn't it? So then you do, we can just consider the possibilities. So 6 for 1, 5, 4, and then 3, and then 2. So you see, where you multiply all these by 2 and then add its respective number, it gets 13. So then we can think of this problem more of if you're trying to like split up like different like boxes and you're trying to put like dividers between these different digits. You'd have 2 to the power of n minus 1 for each case. So then our answer is the sum of 2 to the power of n minus 1 for all these. So we have 2 to the power of 6 minus 1 is 5, plus 2 to the power of 4, plus 2 to the power of 3, plus 2 to the power of 2, and then plus 2, which is ultimately, we solve for this, which is, we get 62 as our answer for this problem, and we are done.